So guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back. As you see here, today we will be doing some bammies. This is cassava, and we're gonna be doing some bammies. So first you wanna mark your cassava like this. These are very dirty. And then you use the knife to push under here. So guys, and you do the same procedure again below. Then you go like this. Yes guys, this one is peeling the way it's supposed to. So guys, I have cut them into two and removed the centerpiece. And now I am going to grater. So I'm using this side of the grater and grater. So guys, I'm all done gratering, so I'm removing the excess that is on the grater, and then you will need a piece of cloth, whatever cloth you have that can be used. I use this to strain juice and stuff like those. So this I'm gonna just put like a handful. There you go. And I'll be squeezing out the juice from it. Squeezing all of this from it. And then it should look like this. Should be very dry. Now continue to do this. So guys, I have finished squeezing the juice from it, and now what I'm doing is open it back up. So guys, the only thing that is going with this is some salt. So I'll be adding a teaspoon of salt to this, and I'm going to mix it to distribute it evenly, so you don't have one side salty and the next side doesn't have anything. So guys, if you notice, I've opened it back up because remember we had squeezed it to get the juice from it, and now I have managed to open it back this much. So guys, we're gonna take this to my stove. I think I might just get 2 or 3 from this, so we will see when we get there. So guys, my pot is on the stove heating, and I'm putting them in. So guys, I don't have a metal form, so I'm using the pot to get the size, but just doing it like this. It is cooking. It's on low heat. So guys, if you can see the end, it looks a little dry compared to the inside. So with that, I'm gonna turn it. So here we go, turning. There you go, guys. So guys, as I told you, I don't have a metal shaper, cutter, or whatever you call it. I don't have a metal one. So what I did, I wrapped my plastic one within foil, and if you notice, it's not hitting the bottom of the pot. So I'm trying to make a small one because I don't have a lot, so I did this. So let's hope that it doesn't burn. So I'm just put this in, and as you see, it's already getting brown. So I'm gonna turn it, and I hope it will hold the shape, because I'm gonna remove the cookie cutter. So guys, it did hold the shape, and there you have it. Allowing this to cook on the other side, and because this is a little bit thicker, I'm gonna allow it to cook a little longer, and then you will see the both of them, the one that I did in the pot and the one that I did with the cookie cutter. So you will see the both of them, guys. So guys, there you have it. My cookie cutter hasn't been ruined. I was a little worried there that I might spoil it, but it's okay. The foil protected it. And this is my last one. So I actually got 3 from it. This one is a little bit thinner than the one before. So guys, I'll give it 2 more minutes and then I'll just slide it out. So guys, there you have it. This is my bammy, and guys, actually this is the first time I'm making it and I think I did pretty well. So yes guys, thank you all for watching, and I do hope you like this video, and I do hope that you will like, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. Hope you will subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend, and also share. Guys, thank you so much. And to all my new family members, thank you guys, because we all are family. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I do hope you enjoy. Bye bye. So guys, that was the last one, and there I was checking my cookie cutter to see if it was damaged, but it was okay. It hasn't melted or anything. So guys, this one is the last one, and it was much thinner than the other 2 because I only got 3 from it. So there it is guys. So guys, this is the ending product. My bammy is ready, and guys, this can be served with whatever you want. With whatever you want to serve it with. Normally we would do this with like steamed fish, or we would just fry it and eat it like that. So guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching, and guys, if you do like this video, please remember to drop a like and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and guys, until the next video, bye bye.